Okay, question 11. Out of a grand total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 marks. That's why we talk about algebra so much. Factorise this. What number's going to both of them? Well, 2 goes into both of them. And 2 lots of what makes 4x, that'll be 2x. And 2 lots of what make plus 14 will be plus 7. Once you've done it, just check. That's 4x plus 14. That's good. Factorise this. What goes into both? Well, x goes into both here. So I can have x. X times what gives me x squared? Well, that's obviously an x. And how do I get the minus 5x? That'll be times by minus 5. Again, just check. X times x is x squared. Minus 5x. Good. What goes into both of these here? Well, nothing does. So this is going to be quadratic and this is going to be a double bracket one. How do I get x squared? It's going to be x and an x. How do I get 16? Can only be through the number. It can either be 1 and 16 or 2 and 8 or 4 and 4. And it's minus 16, so one of them must be plus and one of them must be minus. And I've got no x's, so the number's going to have to end up being the same. It's going to have to be 4 and 4. So it's going to be plus 4 and minus 4. And actually, if you'd spotted this as a difference between two squares, hopefully you could have seen immediately it's x plus 4 and x minus 4. We've got to factorise this. What goes into both of these? Well, actually, x plus y goes into both of these. So I can take out a factor of x plus y. And what do you have to times x plus y by to get x plus y squared? That will obviously be x plus y. And what do you have to times it by to get 8 of them? It'll obviously be plus 8. And so that's my answer for that one. An unusual way of doing it. Rearrange this to make t the subject, so that means I've got to have t equals. I normally get it right at the other way around, so my unknown is on the left to start off with, or the bit I'm trying to make equal something. And now I want to get rid of the 6 from both sides, and that will get rid of that and just leave me with 5t equals v minus 6. I don't want 5 of them, I just want 1, so I'm going to divide both sides by 5, and that will say that t equals v minus 6 over 5. That's that one. Multiply out and simplify. 2 lots of 3x is 6x's. 2 lots of plus 7 is plus 14. Plus 3 lots of 5 will be 15x's. And then plus 3 lots of minus 4, that'll be minus 12. I've got to simplify it as well, or I'll lose a mark. There's 21x's there. I've got plus 14, take away 12, that's a plus 2 overall. And finally, I can divide top and bottom by x minus 1. So I've got 2 lots, I've got x minus 1 squared, so the top bit will actually become 2 lots of x minus 1 times x minus 1, and the bottom bit will just be x minus 1. And so I can divide top and bottom by x minus 1 to leave myself 2 lots of x minus 1. That's how it's simplified. You could multiply that out, but it doesn't really matter. I'd leave it like that. And you could see it here immediately. X minus 1 will cancel out with 1 of those, and it leaves us with 2 lots of x minus 1. That's 10 marks in the bag for question 11.